Hi guys, how you doing? Right, my lawn is stressed. Just take a look at this. Look at the brown. Look at the brown. Look at the brown. Look how it's going brown there. It's looking stressed. Stress, stress, stress. Step on it. So it's taken a long time to spring up. And you can see where the roots are as well. It's just traditionally stressed there anyway. But there we go for my pallet move. Yep, one day. So we're going to give it a mow. And we're going to get a wetting agent on. And we're going to water it well. Still a bit of fungus in lawn as well actually. We need to tackle both issues. But you can see it's stress, you can see it's drought stress. You can see the brown around each of those two tree bases and in the middle there. So let's just have a look. Let's go to a brown area there. Let's just move you down a touch. Let's take a sample. It's rock hard. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Sahara Desert. Wow. Look at this. Dry as a bone, guys. So we know exactly what it is. We've now got drought stress. So there's a couple of ways about it. We can just get the wetting agent on, water it in. We could aerate, but it's not desperate for that at all. So I'm going to get a good mow. I'm going to get the wetting agent on, give it a watering on, and then I'm going to water it regular over the next 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, possibly 3, this lawn should be back to full steam. Right, so I realised I got it on a lower setting. I got it on number 4 at 40mm, and I've been cutting it at 50mm all year. But you know what? It doesn't look too bad, and it'll grow back. So what I'm going to do now is apply a wetting agent and then get it watered in. So the wetting agent I'm going to use is called Aquasorb, and basically all you do, you apply it on and you water it in. And what it will do, it will act like a glue around the roots, and it will hold any subsequent water there around the roots. You can use any wetting agent, you don't have to use Aquasorb. That's just the one that I'm using at the moment. Put it on, water it in, and then as much water as you can over the next couple of weeks, and the lawn will make use of that water rather than just draining through, and then it will recover within about 2 weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks, something like that. So that is going to be my step for today. And I think probably what I'll do after that is get a treatment on, a fertilizer and a weed killer. So let's get that on. Right, I've got my wetting agent and I brought some fertilizer as well. I'm going to put some fertilizer on after I've watered it in. So let's just take note. Okay, you can see the stress, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there. So we'll get this watered in, we'll get fertilizer on. Right, that's had a really good watering in. So now all of the wetting agent is around the root area. It's going to do its stuff. This lawn is going to get heavy watering, well, regular watering, but next couple of weeks I'm going to see a bit of a difference. So I'm going to get some fertilizer on. Try and wear your gloves when you're handling fertiliser and chemicals. I'm sure you know all this. These little spreaders here, it used to be Scott's, but it's quite a handy spreader, and that turns a little thing inside, and there's a little handle here. When you press that trigger, it opens up the hole inside. Go to number 5 and you get a bigger hole inside there, so more comes out. 4 or 3 is typical for most applications. I'm going to go on to number 4 and put heavy dose on. I'm going to try and get this to come back pretty quick. So you can see how your lawn can change in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks if you're not on top of your game. Now, we went away on holiday, we had someone watering our plants for us, which is brilliant, and they put a bit of water on the grass as well. But since then we've had some funny weather, and it's all just gone a bit brown with the heat stress. There could be a bit of fungus in there, that's why I put the fertilizer on as well, to try and grow some of that out. Right guys, so watch this space.